I think it is really too early for us to tell whether prices of pharmaceutical products in Singapore will be affected. The pharmaceutical industry is a key contributor to Singapore's economy, with 8 of the top 10 global pharmaceutical companies having manufacturing and research and development activities here. Between 2022 and 2024, Singapore's pharmaceutical exports to the US averaged $3.7 billion per year. These are primarily active pharmaceutical ingredients instead of finished products like tablets and capsules. We do not have a breakdown by branded and non-branded pharmaceutical products. We have been engaging Singapore-based pharmaceutical companies on the impact of the US tariffs. Many already have plans to build new capacity or expand their existing facilities in the US and are awaiting further details from the US administration to confirm that their plans could qualify for tariff exemption. We are also in discussion with the US administration on a preferential tariff arrangement for Singapore's pharmaceutical exports to the US and will provide an update when ready. It's actually really too early to tell if there will be a change in the manufacturing and R&D investments in Singapore arising from this set of new tariffs on the pharmaceutical products. But also, I think we have to understand that beyond tariffs, companies would consider a range of other factors in making their investment decisions in Singapore, including our political stability and rule of law, pro-business environment that we have here, global and regional connectivity that we will continue to enhance. I think it is really too early for us to tell whether prices of pharmaceutical products in Singapore will be affected. But we will certainly make sure that healthcare will continue to be accessible and affordable for Singaporeans. We are still having negotiations with the US administration in particular. DPM Gan just had a virtual meeting with US Secretary Lutnick last week on a broad framework, and the details are being followed up. I think we also have to take note that the preferential tariff rates secured by countries like Japan and Korea for their pharmaceutical exports were part of broader negotiations with the US on reciprocal tariffs. We have to be realistic at this point, but at the same time, we are working our best to negotiate for the good of our Singapore economy and the companies here. Thank you.